Hello student, here I am going to start the new topic mode. What is the mode? Actually mode is another important measure of central tendency of statistical series. Okay, it is the value which occurs most frequently in the series. Most frequently in the series, or you may say which is common or general. Clear? Let me take an example. If there are 10 boys in a class and each out of 10, 4 boys wearing blue t-shirt and the rest of the boys wear other colors of t-shirt. In that condition, what is the mode t-shirt of that class? Yes, blue. The most repetitive frequency or the most repetitive thing is called mode. Very clear? The first thing is mode is shown by Z. Now, it can be calculated by two methods. The first one, inspection method, and the another one is grouping method. Okay. So here I am going to start the first individual series. In individual series, how will you calculate mode? 4, 3, 4, 2, 1, 9, 16, 5, 4, 2, 10, 12. Find out the mode of the series. Now, which frequency is of repetitive nature? Which frequency? 4, 4, 4. 4 repeats 3 times. 2, 2, 2 times. Now, which frequency is most repetitive? So very clear. 4. Any problem? That frequency which is of repetitive or more times, that will be called mode. I think this is very simple. No? In discrete series, how will you calculate? XF 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The student who scored 10 marks, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1. Now what is the mode? In this question, the mode is what? 40. 8 students scored 40 marks. Then which is the common thing? In that class, there are so many 8 students are who scored 40 marks. So the result will be what? The result will be 40, not 8. In this question, 4, 4, 4. It comes 3 times. So 3 was not the answer. Which is the repetitive thing? 4 is the repetitive thing. Very clear? No problem at all? One more. Here X 4, 8, 12, 16, okay, 20, and the frequency is 3, 9, 7, 6, 4. Then what will be the answer? 9 or 8? Yes, the result will be 8. So Z is equal to 8. Okay, 8 marks. The students who scored 8 marks are 9. Clear? So the result will be very clear. This is the individual and discrete series. Now the next thing is the mode in continuous series. Like class interval 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, and 16 to 20, and the frequency is 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Now, which is the highest frequency? Yeah, 5. So this is the our class model. Okay, but the problem is mode is in between 8 to 12. Then what is the answer? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the answer? So how will you calculate? In this condition, you will have to put a formula. Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. Okay, this is the formula of calculating mode by inspection method. Now, first thing is, what is F1, what is F0, what is F2? F1 is the standard frequency, F0 preceding, and F2 the next one. Okay, now put the values. What is the L1? That is 8 plus, what is F1? This is 5. What is F0? 4. Then 2Fi, यानी कि 2 into 5 minus F0 is what? 4 minus, then what is F2? That is 2 into I. I means what? The difference of that is 4. The answer should come between 8 to 12, otherwise the result will be incorrect. Now calculate. 8 plus 5 minus 4, 1. 2 5s are 10, minus 4 minus 2 will be minus 6 into 4. 8 plus 1 minus 4 into 4. 4 will be cancelled. So 8 plus 1 will be 9. This will be our answer. I don't think there will be any problem in this question. Okay, so I'm explaining one more. Very clear now? Now the next. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Then frequencies 4, 6, 12, 7, 5. Now, which is the highest or more repetitive? That is 12. Okay. Now it means what? This will be our F1. Actually, this is our class model. This is F1. Then what will be the F0? This will be F0, and this will be F2. Now put the formula here. Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. Okay. Now put the values here. L1 is what? That is 20 plus F1 is 12 minus F0, that is 6 upon 2 into 12 minus 6 minus, what is the F2? That is 7. Okay, and into, what is the difference? The difference is 10. Now calculate. 20 plus 6, 24, 6 and 7 will be 13 into 10. The result should come between 20 to 30. Okay. If the result beyond this limit means less than 20 or more than 30, that will be an incorrect result. 20 plus 6, 24 minus 13 will be how much? This will be 11 into 10. Okay, now 20 plus 60 upon 11, and the result will be 11 5s are 55.4. So the result will be 25.4. I don't think there will be any problem. Clear? Okay.